I went up the layer stack and had lots and lots of layers and didn't like where it was heading. Excuse me. So I deleted all of them, came back to this jumped layer that we got from right here. Just hit Command J in order to get a new copy of this layer. And like I told you, it took the blend mode with it. And then ran through the blend modes. This is where I stopped in that other video and then made that new layer. And I said, make a camera raw layer. Of course, it was a smart object, is what I meant to say. But I thought, hey, what if we just put an effect on there? That could look kind of sweet. And I started with outer glow. You can see how outer glow is invisible. And I didn't like that at all. So I thought bevel and emboss. And what if we punch it in as if it's punched in, we're looking through this sheet of paper is over these circles, and these are recessed. It's kind of the feel I got to it. The way you get to effects is down here, this FX icon, and you can choose any effect there. I'm going to go ahead and double click on bevel and emboss so you can see my settings. I lowered the opacity for the black. I really didn't like that at all. I changed the angle at which the light was coming right there and made sure this was down and just, played around a little bit. Here's that outer glow I did not like, and I still don't like. You change color here, you change softer and precise, and blend modes up here, and how opaque do you want it, and you play around with that stuff. So I'm going to turn that off, go back up to this contour with, not contour, the bevel and emboss, excuse me. I'll turn that off, it's not doing anything. See, the bevel and emboss, and that's what I liked. So something unexpected, something I hadn't considered before, and something I'm definitely going to play with because I like this effect and I think it could be really useful as a background for something else.